All right, in example number 5, we're going to design a survey. So we have the owner of a company would like to convert a conference room into an exercise room. So that would be the objective of this survey is to determine if the employee's interest in converting a conference room into an exercise room. So she would like to survey her employees to see if they would like to use the exercise room. So our objective is to determine if employees are interested in converting the conference room into an exercise room. Okay, so convert a conference room into an exercise room. That would be the objective. Right, that's why they do this survey. Okay, and then we want to identify the population. So who are we getting information from? Okay, and she would like to take a survey of her employees, right? So survey her employees. So that would be the population. So employees. Okay, and then we want to write an unbiased survey question. So we want to ask a question. So we could just say, if we had the resources, would you use an exercise room in the building if it were created by converting the conference room? Okay, so maybe in there just saying if we had the money, that might be a little biased, right? So you could just say, um, would you um, would you like to convert the conference room into an exercise room? Okay, so you could ask that question. Then you might want to do a follow-up, right? Because maybe everybody wants to, sorry about that, maybe everybody wants to convert it into an exercise room, but you might want to have a follow-up to see, okay, see if they would use, right here, so if they would use the exercise room. Okay, so we could ask that first question, then we could have a follow-up that says, okay, would you use the exercise room if it was converted? Would you use the converted exercise room? Okay, or you could combine these questions and say something like, would you use the exercise room in the building if it were converted to from the conference room? Okay, so you can kind of combine those in a way if you wanted to, or you could ask two separate questions like this. Okay, so like that's unbiased. A biased one would be like, hey, would you like to convert the lame conference room to a amazing exercise room? Something like that, some kind of adjectives in there to kind of get what you want out of it, right? Depending on the wording.